Welcome to EIOTCLUB MX3, the 4G smartwatch designed for kids. To turn on the watch, press and hold the power button. Swipe down for quick settings like battery and volume. Swipe up on the watch face to view messages. Press and hold the watch face to change its style. Swipe left or right to switch between apps. To go back, swipe from the left edge or press the SOS button. Make calls or video calls from your watch. Tap the phone icon. Want to add a friend? Tap the plus icon. Go to the messages function on the watch. You can record a voice message, choose quick replies, or send an emoji with just one tap. Pet status depletes over time. Feed with points earned via calls, chats, and mood logs. How can parents stay connected? First, download the Magi app and register. Then scan the watch's QR code to bind it. The first account to scan becomes the administrator. To change the admin, go to the app and select Transfer Admin. To add family members, go to Family in the app and tap Plus. The app lets you track your child's location in real time, make video calls, send voice and text messages, enable class mode to mute notifications during school, set up safe zones and get alerts when your child enters or leaves. To check data balance, go to SIM data card in the app. For support, tap the service icon. Thank you for choosing EIOTCLUB MX3.